welcome back to our channel. It's Imelda here. I know it's been a really long time since I've posted a video, but I am back, and I am back hopefully more regularly this time. As I think I mentioned in my last video, which was probably about a month or two ago, the heater in my scrapbook room was broken, and we're in the middle of winter, so it was really cold. Which I also have to mention, this layout I created with the Autumn Kit from Felicity Jane was about a month or two ago when it was really cold out there, so you'll see me throughout the video making a fist, and it's not because I'm angry at anything, it's because it's just so cold and my fingers are freezing. Anyhow, so I am starting here with a white background, and I am going to layer my matting, my photo mats, with a bunch of the Project Life cards. I think that's what they are. And I am going to mat my photo on a white background because I like white. And then I'm going to decide that I want to fussy cut this. So I really like the way that this floral is just down at the corner, and I thought it was perfect for this photo of my kids. And I just, like I said, it's in the corner, it's kind of out of the way, but it's really beautiful, so I wanted to use that. And the rest of it was white, so I just wanted to, I was thinking about using it as a layering piece, but I really wanted to use all of the floral, so I thought a fussy cut would be perfect for this. So I'm going to place it down at the bottom for now and continue working on my layers. So I have a little bit of this stripe, or it's a chevron card, and then a little bit of a black and white polka dot paper. I skipped really fast through that last part, only because I thought I was going to use some mixed media in the background, and I actually did it, and you'll notice my fingers are now blue, but I didn't like it at all, so I just cut that all out, so you don't have to watch that. So I'm going to go back to my usual method or technique here with the tool. There's my really messy sewing. I sewed it on my machine, and I did it in black just because it was already there in black. It was threaded, so I didn't want to rethread. And it's really messy just because it's up on the against the wall, and I didn't want to move it, and it kind of got caught in some places, so I knew I was going to cover it, so I didn't really care. Anyhow, so I'm just taping the back so that it doesn't rip through or tear or start to come undone. And I'm going to come back with my photos and my layers now. And I wanted some of the layers to be behind the tool and some to be in front of it, just to give it a little bit of dimension and a little bit of variety. And I'm going to go ahead now and mat this on this, I think they're chevrons. I can't really tell. It's a black and white pattern paper, and I really like that it's a small print, so it's not very obvious. It almost looks gray if you're looking at it from far away. So here I decided to tear it only because it wouldn't fit in my paper cutter, so I was going to tear it and then trim it, but I really liked the way that the tearing came across, so I just went ahead and teared it a little bit neater. So I'm going to bring it back and layer. I'm really sorry if this is going really fast, but I cut a lot of this video out because some of it was the mixed media, as well as, like I said, it was really cold, so I wanted to finish it really fast, so it's a very simple layout. So I'm just going to go back and layer and adhere everything. So I'm going to just let you guys know what I've been up to this past couple months since I've been away from scrapbooking. I have started a bullet journal, and I'm absolutely loving it. So I know I'm starting my own channel, my second channel, and it's just going to be about bullet journaling at this point. So check that out. I'm going to leave the link below for you, and I'm going to have a plan with me probably this weekend for the month of March. So I'll leave that link below and make sure you check that out. So back to the layout, I'm just going to adhere everything, and then really quickly it's going to jump over the part where I am embellishing. So I'll just let you know ahead of time that I am going to use some of the vellum pieces that came in the kit. And again, I'm using the Autumn kit. And I'm going to use some of the cork pieces as well as some of the chipboard pieces. So you will see that in the close-ups for sure. So I really liked this kit for this photo because this photo was taken in, I want to say, October in upstate New York, and it was at a wedding, and it was kind of chilly. It was like fall autumn weather, so this kit just went perfectly with the feeling that I wanted to kind of capture, that we kind of had at the wedding. So just a little bit of embellishing here, and then it's going to skip forward to basically my finishing touches. So I have blessed as my title, and then I have family on the little tab, and originally I was going to stick that on the pink tab, but I changed my mind because I didn't want pink on pink. So I wanted to bring some of that green in from the photo. And I did add the flare and then some of the leaves. I wanted to make it look like they were falling. So that's basically it. So I want to say thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for being patient for another video. I promise you there will be more to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.